Gone are the days when creating a website used to be a time-consuming and tedious task. With the help of AI, you can create a website in minutes, and we'll be looking at a platform that promises to do that, as I'll be showing you step by step how to use OnePage IO. OnePage IO is a platform that I came across recently that allows persons to either create a landing page, a link tree, or funnel, even as a complete beginner by simply typing in a prompt in AI. So we'll be testing it out in this tutorial. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, we're going to go over to the top right hand corner and select Create. After selecting Create, you can see different template options that you get access to. For example, if you would like to create a landing page, you can select Landing Page from the top left hand corner, scroll down, and you can select what type of landing page you would like to use. Or if it is a case that you would like to create a form or funnel, you can select Forms and Funnels, and from there you can select a template. Keep in mind they also offer the option to create page with AI or start from scratch. But what I've come to realize is if you were to select the option create page with AI, you'll need to be on their paid plan. So that is a pullback in my eye, but you can try it out if you want. So we're going to be selecting landing page, and we're just going to be selecting a random template. Let's say for example's sake I were to select this template. After tapping on a template, from here you're going to tap on Start From Template, and you can give your page a name which will be only visible to you. So I'm just going to be calling it Test Page. So let's do that real quick. 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll tap on Create Page. After you have selected Create Page, you'll be redirected to the Editor page. On the Editor page, it's quite straightforward and easy to use. For example, you can tap on any text section and you can start editing the text. You can also see the option right here above it where you will be able to tap there. You can change the text format and style. If it is a case that you would want your AI to assist you with writing, you could select AI Writer. And again, if you're on their paid plan, you'll be able to use it. So there are a lot of options that they offer, but majority of it you'll need to be on the paid plan. The best platform I have come across thus far when it comes on to creating a website with AI, I would have to say it's Wix. But this is a good option also, but I still believe that Wix holds the crown for the best AI website builder. Now, you can see the different pages at the top right here are sections that you can choose from. So you can select them right there. You can see it, and you could select open in a new tab. You could toggle that option, and you can also add links if you want. So you can add link right there. If we were to tap here, you can change the size. You can also edit the text color and so on. So there are different options that you are given. If you would like to add an item, you can tap on the menu option. Then you could tap on add item, and from there you can see different options that you can also add. But everything, as it says, it is in one page. So you can see right there, it's just one long landing page, as you can see right here. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you can see the different sections. So you can select the header section if you like to edit the header section. If you like to edit the call to action, you can tap right there, and you can start editing your call to action by tapping on any section. You can make changes, as you can see right there. And if you want to change the design, for example sake, or you like to add a new section, by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on add section, and you can see the different sections that you can add. So you can see them right there. So those are the options that you are given. Once you are finished creating your website, you could select publish. After tapping on publish, from there you can select publish, and you'll be able to publish your first website. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.